Hello, everybody. My name is John Dermeyer, and I'm just starting my senior year at CBU, and I am a kinesiology major. My career goal is to either become a athletic trainer or a physical therapist. I would like to work in sports and rehabilitation. I actually have spent the past 10 years as a massage therapist. I built my own business within a wellness center that has chiropractors, physical therapists, as well as many different doctors. And I just realized that I needed to get more education in order to better communicate with my coworkers and to increase my business and be able to better support my family. As far as hobbies, I love playing and watching basketball. I love gardening, working in my yard, and playing with my kids. I have two kids, a 4-year-old and a 4-year-old son and a 2-year-old daughter. And I've been married to my beautiful wife for the past 5 years. Love going out on our family's boat and looking for dolphins and whales and just enjoying God's creations. I love hiking, and I would like to sometime soon hike Mount Whitney. I haven't done that before. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this class and to working with all of you guys, and hope we have a great semester.